Howdy, folks. So HighLevel has just released the ability to fire off live chat actions in their workflow, which means we can now update ZappyChat to respond over the HighLevel live chat widget. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this. And so at this point, the workflows in the snapshot in your membership area are all updated in the Supercharged Speed to Lead snapshot as well as the self-selling AI snapshot. But if you already have snapshots built out and you don't want to load in a new one, I'm going to show you right now how to update that in your snapshot. So what you're going to need to do is go over to settings first and head over to custom fields, because we're going to need to add a new option under our custom field called not reply, but response channel. And so we have the response channel here. So search in custom fields for response, click that bulk action to edit, and we're going to add a new option down here called live chat. So you'll just click add an option, live chat, live chat. Doesn't matter how you spell it or what you call it. The only reason we're doing the only reason we do this is to mark it in our workflow so that we can so that the workflow knows what channel to send its response on. So we've got the live chat option there. So once you've done that, we just need to go make an update to a couple workflows. Over in automations, if you go into your chatbot folder, we're going to make some updates to workflows 1, 2, and 3 in order to update the channel that the AI is responding to. So first, hop into AI01. The first thing we're going to need to do is add in a live chat trigger. And so I've already done it in this workflow, but what you would do is just add a new trigger, search for customer replied, add filter, search for channel, and you're going to click reply channel because that's the HighLevel native option here. Response channel is our custom field. So just reply channel, and in here we're going to select chat widget. And then label it something like customer replied chat widget, or oh, actually, sorry, I take that back. Live chat, select live chat. And label it live chat. I just realized that chat widget refers to the old style of chat widget that just gathers the contact information. So save that trigger, and you're going to have that up here. Then make sure you save the workflow, because you can't add it to an if-else condition until the workflow is saved. So once you have the workflow saved, you're going to come down here and just go to your reply channel, and we're going to add a path for live chat. So what that looks like, if I just go ahead and get rid of this branch here, you're going to click add branch, name it live chat, and in here you're going to select workflow trigger in your first drop down, and in the second drop down say is, and last drop down select your new live chat trigger. Once you have that, click save action, and it will create your path here. What you're going to need, and here I'll delete this so I can show you creating it from scratch, is that you're going to need to grab your response channel step and go-to step from any of your other paths. So I'm going to grab it from my SMS over here and copy all actions from here and copy it under live chat, or you can alternatively create these two. This first one is just an update contact field step. So update contact field, and we're going to update the response channel. And so if this wasn't here, you would search for response channel and change that to live chat. Save that, and then set up a go-to over to the robot reply tag. Click save, and that's all you need to do in this workflow 1. Because in workflow 1, all we need to do is mark which channel the message came in on, so that workflow 2 knows which channel to respond on. So head over to workflow 2, and let's do the same sort of addition here. So we're not going to need to add a new trigger. All we're going to need to do is come down here and add a new path for live chat. You can see I've done it here, but once more, to show you what that looks like, if I delete this branch, all you need to do is come in, click add branch, name it live chat, and then in here we're going to select contact details and then search for response channel is, and select live chat. So we're saying if the lead has been marked as recently having responded over live chat, we want to respond over live chat. So we save that, and now you're going to have this blank path that is live chat, and in here just add and search for the send live chat message. I just searched with the word chat. You could do send live and grab that send live chat message. And then down in here, simply put in the double braces, contact.response, close the double braces, and you're good to go. Alternatively, you could click custom values, go to contact, go to custom fields and find that response, and it populates with the same thing. So make sure the double brackets are there, contact.response, click save, and now your AI is all set up to have a back and forth conversation over live chat. The last thing we'll want to do is set up the booking confirmation, which happens in AI03, appointment confirmation and reminder. And so we're going to click in here and we're going to do a very similar thing. Once more, you can see we have different paths for the confirmation. What I'm going to do is add the condition. Same thing, just add a branch, call it live chat. In this first drop down, we can do contact details and search for response channel and say response channel is live chat. So we know that if they just sent a message over live chat and the appointment was just booked through the AI, that we should then set up a confirmation here. And so if you want to use the same message that you're using elsewhere, hold on a second. There we go. Workflow is just having trouble loading. I'm just going to copy the body from my other confirmation message. And obviously you can have this say whatever you want. But if we do a send live chat message, paste that in there, click save, and then add a go-to. We can send it over to send the internal notification to assigned user and go into the reminder sequence there. Obviously, once more, you can customize that however you want. And so those are the only changes that you need to make, just those changes to workflows 1, 2, and 3 after adding to your custom field. And now it's all set up to work over the live chat widget native in HighLevel.